Okay, so welcome guys. This is TNT Sunrise in TradingView, and today is June 24th, and let's have a webinar for the futures and Forex market, and also the indices in the USA. Okay, so first of all, okay, S&P we want to sell, okay, to here, 3,000 at least. Okay, so for our chart, I think we are pretty much sure it's going to form this kind of gardy patterns. Okay, and now it is going down, okay, very fast. So if there's any pullback to 3090, sell it, okay. In this afternoon, we already find this it's a very nice entry here. It's a structure breakout and pullback. Okay, the structure was here, the neckline was here, so it breaks down and pull back. We created the first sell in this afternoon. Okay, and now it's going down again, so we want to sell the pullback again at here. Okay, 3090. So focus on this point to sell it again. Yeah, and it will go to 3,000 at least. Okay. Test, test. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear? Sound is back? Okay, good. Yeah, I'm changing the mic from my headphone to the webcam. I think the webcam can still load that. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, so in last week we mentioned that this share Xiaomi. Okay, Xiaomi has a very nice rally in the last week. Okay, goes from 12.50 to 13.88. Okay, you can still hold because this is cup and handle patterns. I think it's going to fly to 21. Okay, and 9999, this NetEase. Okay, also have a very nice rally. It come to open and low at here 125, and now it's 136. Already 10%, yeah, almost 10% gain. Okay, so I think NetEase you can also consider to buy. So now I think the Hang Seng index is going to have a good returns for the next few months. Okay, because in weekly chart it has already formed this gardy pattern. Okay, this tells me that the Hong Kong shares is okay to buy, and it may have another rally to all the way to 32K in the weekly chart. It may have another new high, okay, or at least to this level. Okay, so get ready to buy some Hong Kong shares. Okay, it may give good returns. Okay, and same for the Shanghai Composite, the China A shares. Okay, China A shares also can buy because it's going to hit the 3K level, and once the 3K level was passed, it will fly. Okay, it will fly to I think the next level we're going to 3,400. Okay, the Shanghai Composite is going to have this kind of patterns. Okay, and it may have another rally and another pullback, and all the way go back to 4K and above. Okay, so it will show a long-term head and shoulder patterns. Okay, I think yeah, this is a very nice chart of the Shanghai Composite. So I will be quite confident of the futures in China's stocks market. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to gold. Okay, gold has a very strong rally today, and it just pulled back to 1762. So if you go to 1 hour chart, you can find it's actually a perfect place to buy the gold from 1761 here, okay, which is a previous high. And we're using this pick as our reference to buy the pullback. Okay, so now the gold has already goes to 1774. So if you want to still buy the gold, you can either wait for another pullback here. Okay, another 618 pullback maybe, or you can wait for a new high to be created. Okay, if the gold can break 17800, okay, 1780, okay, pullback, you can buy again. So I will mark these two buying place for you guys. Okay, so the first of all, wait for the pullback of 1767, okay, to buy it again, or you can wait for the new high to be created and then buy the pullback. Are we okay? Do you understand this, what I'm talking? This is two place to buy the gold again, okay? As you can see, I have my gold position here, okay? I'm holding a very nice entry here, and inside bar just a breakup. You can consider to buy this inside bar breakup, okay? And my first entry is here in 1730, and I'm still holding. It's have a profit of 6K already. I'm going to take some profit if it goes to 1,800. Okay, because I feel the gold is, you can see my target level is here, okay, 1,800, okay, and I think if the gold touch this place, it will have another small correction before it flies. Okay, maybe this time we'll see the gold flies to above 2K because the Fed is already printing a lot of money, and they can print dollar, but they cannot print gold. And people will be worrying about the real value of their dollar. Okay, so if the dollar is still going to be weak, and people are worrying about the credibility of this, the credit of their dollar, I think the gold will have a very nice gain. Okay, so long-term view, I'm still bullish on gold. All right, and let's just buy the pullback and follow the trend. Okay, as long as the trend is still there, we want to buy the pullback. Okay, let's go for S&P. S&P we just covered. Okay, S&P break the structure again, so sell the pullback from 3090, or you can go for a smaller time frame. Yeah, you can see the pullback already happened, and now it's just going to make a new low. So 5-minute charts, it just tells me it's coming to a squeezing of this short. Okay, getting new low and new low. Okay, it's very hard for the bulls to coming back. Okay, but I will wait for a pullback to sell. Yeah, I will choose to this level to sell again. Okay, because I don't want to chase the price unless it gives me a good entry of inside the bar breakdown. Okay, otherwise I will sell the pullback. Okay, I believe the S&P will have a much down room to 3K at least. Okay, and in long term, in weekly chart, okay, I will be very worried about the future of the S&P because this correction seems to be ended at this week. Okay, if you pull a trend line here, guys, can you observe that the whole trend line was just broken? Yeah, it was broken last week as we held a sell in last week. Do you remember? We sell the S&P from 3,199, correct? Remember? And right after we sell it, it makes a lot of money, all the way goes down, okay? And now it has another pullback, but it failed to make a new high. So in this scenario, okay, we want to keep our short all the way maybe to 2,600. That would be a long-term target. Okay, so hold your S&P short to 2,600 at least, maybe the entire 618 level. Yeah. Okay. Oh, James, here you come. 2318. Okay, let me see that. 2318. Ping An. Oh, is Ping An Bank? Is that a bank? The bank of Ping An Bank? Oh, insurance. Okay, Ping An Insurance. Okay, good. Well, Okay, from the chart, it looks like the Ping An Insurance is coming, have some support. The demand is from 70 and it's going up. But now it has okay, this gap here. Okay, I will watch for this gap to be closed to buy it. Okay, right now it didn't have a much momentum because the high was created here, but failed to maintain above. Okay, so I think we can consider to buy the Ping An from 74. I think this level will be a good place. Yeah, about 74. If it give me this level, I will consider to buy and aim for 85 at least, and maybe 97. Yeah, yeah. They have two target here, this gap and this gap. Okay, so it's good target to buy. Xiaomi has moved, as you said last week. Yes, despite China and India are fighting each other. Yes, you're right. Yeah, China and India has some problems. Yeah, but I don't think they will fight because I think the coronavirus will be more headache to India. Natural gas. How about SEA? Sure. Okay. SEA. Silverish gold. Yeah, I think this is still going up. Yeah, this is a bull flag. Okay, break. It will continue to going up. Weekly chart is all-time high. All-time high, right? Not yet. Oh, okay. I think it have a potential gain to a 30. I think SEA is going to be 30. Yeah, this level. It's also a beautiful kind of cup and handle. Yeah, or double bottoms, right? They have another gain to 30. You want to short the down, where's the best entry? Okay, sure. Yeah, I think I just mentioned in my Chinese webinar, okay? Here, okay, we can see the price still sinking, okay? Testing the previous low here. So you want to wait for the pullback, okay? I think the best place will be 325,800, okay? Yeah. Okay, a little bit lower, like 25755. Okay, back to here, you can sell 25755, right? UGAZ going to yeah, it's going to the ground. Yeah. I don't want you guys to trade the leverage ETF. Yeah, because it will have a decay. So if you want to trade the natural gas, it's okay. Yeah, you can consider to buy some natural gas here because the bottoms form here 1.60. 4-hour chart, there is some signal of buying. Yeah, this downtrend was broken by this wave. Okay, break the downtrend, and the second test of the low was supported from 1.6 as well. Now from the candlesticks, okay, to show some bullish momentum here, so you can consider to buy the natural gas and aim for first target 1.7, second target 1.78. Okay, you can aim for here. Yeah, avoid leverage ETFs. Yes. You mean SE? What is SE? This one? Okay, SE are okay. I think there are some pullback will be happening because this is showing a peak. Okay, the first top was created. And let's go to 1-hour chart. Wow. Okay, I think some people are setting the SE from 112. Okay, so if there is a place it pull back to here, try to sell it, okay, or try to take some profit of your long positions. Okay, it's going to have a drop, maybe back to 92. Well, this level, yeah. In daily chart is kind of engulfing, yeah. So just be careful. Be careful. The pullback may happen all the way to 94. Right? Okay, so let's continue. Any other questions? Any other questions? Euro dollar, sure. Euro dollar is a buy. Okay. Yeah, the euro have support from 1.126. Okay, I think I'm going to open a euro position here. right now in front of you guys. Okay, so just to quickly check, the price is here 1.1278. Okay, my stop loss could be below 1.1230, so I'm going to risk about 40 pips. 40 pips, if I trade one lot, would be $400. Okay, I think I'm going to risk about 1k to trade the euro, so I will going to put 2.5 lots here. Okay, this is a quick calculation. Okay, for as a trader, you have to calculate your position size immediately. Okay, right. So this is a quick trade. I buy the euro right now because it stands above this structure. Okay, buy the pullback. Okay, my stop loss is going to below this pin. Okay, so I'm going to hold the euro all the way. Okay, and look carefully of my target. Okay, I'm going to set here 1.22. All right, this is a long-term target for the euro. Okay, it will be very, very profitable of the euro. Okay, if my stop loss was never hit. Sterling dollar, sure. Go back to sterling. Okay, sterling have some problem in forward chart. It has another pullback here. I think sterling is going to retest the 618. Get ready to buy the sterling at here 1.2410. Okay, here is okay to buy. And in 1 hour chart, it keeps falling. The support is fine at still this level 1.252415. You can buy some sterling here. And the structure was already tested. Okay, so buy the low because I believe the downtrend was finished. This downtrend was finished. Okay, break up, pull back, you buy and aim all-time high. How about Swiss franc? Sure. Swiss franc will have some problem because the dollar is going to be weak. So it will be similar to the euro dollar. So let's go back to Swiss franc. Okay, a quick check of the Swiss franc. Okay, yeah, you can see here. Okay, many people would believe that this is going to be a double bottoms, right? Yeah, but I think the sellers are still there at a 0.9550. Okay, so I will want to sell the dollar Swiss from this level. And I think the bottom will be broken. Okay, because weekly chart you can see the Swiss franc is kind of in a very high place. This is weekly chart. Okay, I've been from 2011. Okay, almost 9 years. Okay, 9 years stuck here. Okay. I think my webinar gets some problems. Yeah, the same happened again, just like last week. It disconnected for a few seconds, right? Freeze, right? Okay, sure. Let me try reactivate. Is it okay? Can you see my screen? Screen freeze? Can you hear my sound? Can you hear my sound? Cannot? Hello, hello? More than 100, crash Zoom again. Okay, sure. I will appoint James. Okay, so James points again. Let me just appoint James.
Appointing me as host again.
Yeah, I'll point you as host.